guys, we're at IKEA. And there's the sign over there. There's the sign. There's the doors, and I'm excited. I'm gonna go have lunch at IKEA. Let's go.
Where are we?
IKEA! Hi guys, we are at IKEA. Now we're gonna go up the escalator. Feels so nice. I'm buying an orca. Oh, his little tail is so soft. Oh, that's so good. I could just wrap him like this and carry him like a backpack. Oh, that's pretty cool. He looks like Simba.
Well, you choose him or you choose the orca. It's up to
What
you.
do you think?
This one's really cute too.
Should I buy him? Should I?
I like him a lot.
Which one should I buy?
I like that one.
But it's hard to decide when. It's so hard to decide, Mom. Gosh. I'll put that in the cart as well.
No, I can't fit any more in the
How
cart.
about Hello, guys. We are at IKEA's cafeteria, and I'm eating mashed potatoes and meatballs and my sparkling lemonade for the drink. Let me try out my mashed potatoes. Good. Meatball.